Welcome students to our laboratory experiment for today. Okay, so the lab for today is all about DC power generation. Now the objective of this experiment is to create, or not to create, or to produce a DC power generation using an induction motor coupled with the DC generator. Okay, let's begin. So to start the experiment, we need to connect this diagram as shown in the video. So first, we need to identify what are the modules that we are going to use. Okay, first we need a power supply. Okay, we'll be needing a power supply. We'll be needing, we're gonna use the DC or the AC voltage power supply, the 456 connection, and a 4-pole squirrel cage induction motor to be coupled to the DC generator. All right, so let us begin. So connect the power supply to the 4-pole squirrel cage induction motor. Okay, so I'm gonna using this smaller wire or the shorter wire. Okay. So connect also this 1 to 1. Connect also the 2 to 2 and 3 to 3. Okay. Oh, I forgot. So we need to also couple it with the timing belt. Okay. So we're gonna use this timing belt to couple these two motors. Okay. Alright, so make sure that they are tightly connected together, okay, for safety purposes. Alright, so now let us continue to connect. So 4 and 5 should be connected together as per diagram. Okay. Alright, so when you're done, connect also the DC motor. Okay, so we need to connect the 2 and 8 together. So this 7 and 6 connect together, and 5 will be connected to a DC ammeter. Okay, this one, and number 1 also will be connected to a DC ammeter. Okay, and we'll be needing also to connect number 1, okay, into our voltage meter, the DC voltage meter, where we will gonna measure the voltage output of this, okay, or voltage output of the DC generator. All right, there you go. Okay, so let us switch on. Okay, now the needle of our ammeter and voltmeter are going backwards, so we need to interchange the connection to get the positive. Okay, then. Alright, okay, so this is our initial reading, okay, our voltage output coming from the DC generator. Okay, let's read it. Okay, so this will our voltage output of the DC generator. That's approximately 90 volts DC generated by our DC generator. And we have also the current coming from the field. Okay. All right. Let us try to increase and decrease the rheostat. Okay. Now, as we move to the minimum side of the rheostat, okay, the DC voltage generator increases. Okay, so we have approximately 210, 20, 30, 230 volts, and the field is about 200 milliamps. Okay, so let's get one more reading. Let's get a reading to the maximum rheostat. Okay, so our voltage is about almost 90 volts DC. Okay, and the current is 50 milliamps. Okay, let's have one more. Change this. Okay, let's go to the almost 0 ohms of the field rheostat. Okay, so let's get the voltage. So the voltage drawn, or the voltage output, will be almost 300 volts, and the current is approximately 300 milliamperes. Okay, so students, there you have it. So you have the complete readings of this experiment, and take note on that, and you need to make a final report regarding this. Okay, thanks for watching.